there's a lot of areas on the ship that you can see, but then there's also areas that you probably look at and you go, I wonder what's behind there. That's what's gonna be this video. So here we go, into the unknown. It's a little bit of like a labyrinth down here, like a maze. I have no idea where I am. I don't know where I am. Are you coming to rescue me? Yes! I'm so happy. Thank you. Whoa, that was quick.
I'm here to save you.
Thank you. I'm just trying to show people around. People, we are not actors. We are not actors. This is great. But let's keep going with this. This is Matthew Dunnigan, and he is the assistant entertainment director on the Pacific Dawn. So he's gonna show us around, and he has a very sparkling personality as well.
Our executive chef, Ravindra.
Welcome to the world of food.
Alright. So this is the galley.
So this is the bakery. So it's all baked fresh on board. So this is gonna be a donut.
It smells really good in here, like really good. I don't want to leave.
About 10,000 plates a day.
10,000 plates a day.
Yeah.
How many plates are broken a day?
About 7.
Not bad, not bad.
It's been about 24 years at sea now, and with piano for about 18 years. Making sure all the guests and crew are happy, they're well fed, their tummy is full, and basically when we see the smiling faces when they come out of the restaurant and saying the food is amazing, that's what I achieved my goal and such and so on. Yeah. Take care. Bye.
Let's go somewhere else. Show us somewhere else.
Right then, you've seen the magic where the food happens. Now you're going to see our magic backstage.
All right, 5 minutes showtime. All right, go curtains. All right.
So this is on stage. So if the curtains were open, we could see what we see when we see you. Shall we peek our head through the curtains? That is exactly what we see. Poke your head through. Hi. It's all plastic in case they drop it during the show, which does happen. But not even the martini's real. I was getting thirsty. Okay, they're decent as much as they can be. Come on. She's getting ready for a show. Lovely wigs right there. Rack! All the costumes are kept on a rack. Do you want to go upstairs and see them?
Yeah.
Come on, come this way. Fancy.
We should try these on in just a little like pretty woman montage. I'm kidding, we don't have time for that. You were like, yes!
Really?
Yeah, finally. These are all the costumes for all the production shows we have on board.
It's like a jungle of clothes.
Come on. It's crazy, right? But they're all old. All we use for old cars. This is how Chad spends most of his time looking at his reflection. How much hairspray do you go through for your shows?
About a bottle a week. That's a lot of hairspray.
But you've not got much hair, so...
I've actually drawn on my part inside because I don't have one.
That detail that you don't see off stage.
Break a leg, guys. Is that what you say, break a leg?
On a moving ship, possibly not the best thing for that. This is our production booth. This is where the guys sit and they control all the lights and sound. but they also control the screens that are outside the theatre, and this is also where bingo's controlled, the important thing, bingo.
So that's a lot of the crew area. I mean, there's a lot more to show you.
I could show you where the crew gym is, but I don't really know where it is.
But there's one more place that I think a lot of people want to see.
It's all the way down on deck 2.
Which deck are you on right now?
So this is the M1. It's the longest alleyway on the ship. It goes right from the front, right to the back. Everyone is here all the time, and on a turnaround day, there's forklift trucks and there's boxes and crates and everything.
Just for all the guests watching, this area of the ship is probably the hardest to find, so you're probably not going to get here.
So this is where the crew comes to let off some steam. But that's all we can show you.
All right, so there's a lot of crew areas on the ship. We can only show you that. Maybe we'll show you more in other future videos, but thank you very much, Matthew.
Anytime.
Yeah, I know that was a lot to take in, so please leave a comment and let me know if you'd like to see more. And thanks for watching. Well, thank you very much, Matthew Dunnigan.
Close, almost.
How does it go again?
Dunnigan.
Dunnigan. Well, thank you, Matthew Dunnigan. Yes, this is not going very well. Well, thank you, Matthew Dunnigan.
Shall we just stick with Matthew?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So, all right, one more time. So if you're still here for some reason, why don't you hit that subscribe button and that little bell next to it, click that, and you'll be notified for my next video. And you know, you can check out this video.